It's September. That means it's pumpkin spice latte season and Christmas decor season. I'm kidding, but seriously, it does start a little bit early. Um, but I've already started to plan on my 2023 Christmas spectacular. I've been collecting things over the past year as I've gotten extra $10, $20 a year, parts for 3D printing, and now I've really started to ramp up buying the electronics. 12-volt power supply, an arduino Uno R3, this can't spell correctly electronics fun kit. I don't know how you would pronounce that. Um, and then some LED strips addressable. Figured that would be a good project just to get my teeth uh, cut on because honestly, folks, I don't have a clue what I'm doing. Always been interested in electronics. 15 years ago, I was doing computers and building them and all that good stuff, but I got out of it, when I got married. So I'm trying to get back to it with the electronics, with the Arduinos and eventually a Pi and stuff like that. So I got some stuff coming tomorrow, 16 channel, 12-volt relay. So that's what I'm going to use to power my Christmas lights. So I've got 16 channels so I can put, 16 different things, which is different from these LEDs. This is for proof of concept, just to play around and do the programming because I'm a Microsoft stack kind of developer. So, the Arduino and stuff is C++. So that's something new for me. Um, I haven't touched it since undergrad, and that was 2005, 2004 when I took C++. Yeah. So anyway, that's the cooler. Still working on it. I'm working on 3D printing the top, and when I got to design it first. But yeah, I picked up the power supply because I only have one 12-volt power supply. That's all I have. All the power adapters that I got laying around, that's the only one I own. That's 12 volts with a decent amperage. So I picked this up. Let's see here. 60 watts, 12 volts, 5 amps. This is fine for playing around. Cheap, I don't care if I break it. Just hope I don't kill myself with it. You never know with this Chinese crap. But hey, as long as it works. I've actually had pretty good success with this stuff other than the spelling. So yeah, the Christmas Spectacular is going to be awesome this year. I'm going to put it to music, and hopefully be able to wire it into a smartphone. I'm not telling anyone except you guys, and my wife doesn't watch my videos, so it's going to be a surprise. But yeah, it's going to be really cool. So, you got any suggestions? Have you guys done this before? I mean, this is completely new for me. Let me know.